The Lord is meeting some people afresh, afresh. And this sets of people, you will feel a warmth of God's love around you, a warmth of God's love. It breaks you. And then so when your heart is saying, how could you love me like this? Is encountering some people afresh. Whoa. Carry me, Holy Ghost, carry me. Carry me, Holy Ghost, carry me. Spend my life, Holy Ghost, spend my life. Jesus. Tilando cafe no sansemena uekala totale. Emina kasola mine ubekato tilamune. Emina koles. Hakila makaimo milandosa. Emiato ale kaminesa. He did a dance so he like goes and then I live. Oh my God, yes. If you can still sit, sit. If you can sit, sit. If you can sit, sit. Only you can set this heart on fire till the day you return. Only you can satisfy me. Only you can keep me burning. Only you can keep this heart on fire till the day you return. Only you can satisfy me. Only you can keep me burning. Only you can keep this heart on fire till the day you will return. I will not fail. I will not falter. I will not disappoint my master till the day he will return. I will not fail. I will not falter. I will not disappoint my master till the day he will return. Only you can satisfy me. Only you can keep me burning. Only you can keep this heart on fire till the day you will return. Till I know cafe no sunset, who can totally. Kemi na kasola mine, who be katoti la munde. Kemi na kolesa, hakila makai mo milandosa. Kemi ato ale kaminesa. Ha, he did that teso, me like gods and then I fade kaile. Oh my God, yes. If you can still sit, sit. If you can sit, sit. If you can sit, sit. We are going to make sure that we don't fake anything. We will know him for real. Let it be that if we have not touched him, we will know we didn't touch him, and we keep pressing until we touch him for real. That appetite will die. Come on, Doko Shekila. That sons will indeed emerge. A people totally separated unto God. We want to pray. I'm just preparing the ground for our Father to come. I know Jesus wants to do something tangible that will begin something in the whole of Zambia.